Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to make journal entry for sale return. So what is sale return? Sometimes we sell our product to customer and then customer they are not happy. They will return product to us. So please see our example together. ABC company they're into product mean that ABC company purchase and sell two product A and product B on 2nd or to February year 2081. The firm record credit sale 20 unit for product A and 30 unit for product B. So sold to all customer for 100,000 for product A and 200 for product B respectively. It means that we sold our product to our customer that we charge $100 for product A and $200 for product B. So how can we record for that transaction? And February year 2081 customer return 10 unit of product A and 9 unit for product B to our company ABC. ABC company purchased product A at $50 per unit and product B $100 per unit. It means that cost of inventory. So general entry for to record sale and return in our book our for ABC company. So how can we record for that transaction? We can record the first transaction debit credit sale means that AR account receivable. Yeah. Account receivable product A 20 multiplied by $100 plus 30 multiplied by 200 debit and credit sale. I mean the revenue. Yeah, 8,000 and credit how much? 8,000 the same. And on February 2081 customer return our product. So the debit return and allowance $10 multiplied by product A how much? Product A 100 plus product B 9 multiplied by 200. Yeah. Debit and credit account receivable because we sell on credit. 200, yeah, 2080 to 800 and credit to 800 account receivable. And for cost product A, so the first general entry that we show our product to our customer. Yeah, we recognize cost sold, debit, delete, recognize cost sold. Yeah, 20 we sold 20 unit that we sold to our customer, and product A cost 50 and product B 100. Yeah, and credit inventory decrease. And after that, we customer return our product. This one we recognize inventory back. So the first time we recognize or we make general entry credit at inventory at credit. So now we record back inventory at debit. Our cost 50 and our cost 100. Yeah, at debit side and credit. So before we recognize a couple sold at credit, now our customer return back. So couple sold we will record at credit side of goods sold. Yeah, a big calculation. How much? 4,000. Yeah, 4,000. The same idea, the same amount. And how much? 1,000 and the same amount 1,000. So the first general entry will record like this, and second general entry, yeah, and the last one we record like this. Thank you so much for your watching our video. Goodbye.